Really red.
Oh, I was just about to post this. I swear I was just about to post this. I'm gonna get the pet ode.
Check out my assistant, y'all. Y'all better get y'all some clients like these. She braiding her own damn braids down. She said, bitch, I ain't waiting for you to do this shit. We got shit to do. Y'all know this ain't no real client, though. But she working it out. This how you do free shit right here, where you got to help each other. Yeah, but you just start the braid, and I'll finish it. And then we going to get on your head next. Right. And this is how we going to work it out, okay? This is what you call teamwork right here.
Ma, it's just a burger you can eat.
Wait, oh, that's yours. Except for them cookies. Don't eat my damn cookies, girl.
I'm not gonna eat your cookies.
Girl, don't eat my cookies.
But I got the whole
braid faster, braid faster.
Girl, I can't
braid faster.
This mom?
Say braid faster, Gina. Yeah, my. Riley, you gonna braid down for me? Huh?
Yeah.
You doing the braid down? This new stuff right here, y'all. It's a braid. And then she finishing with the twist. Y'all see that finger action? She gonna be cold, y'all. She only 3.
Your hair was wet.
Okay.
They ain't even gonna know that my hair really this color.
They gonna be like, who braided down her braids? I'm be like, Riley did.
Riley here is red.
That's what my client said today. Like, damn, that shit feels good. What's that? Oh, shit. Wow. Shit.
I just thought about it.
I snatched it. I had the curtain stuck up under it.
I'm like, shit, I need to put this on her as a service.
Right. I guess you getting this shit for free. Somebody asked me that too. They had added it onto their thing, somebody or whatever. And then she was like, do I get to keep it or you just use it on my head like while I'm here? I'm like, no. Like, I want to charge you $10 just to use this. Right.
I would pay somebody to do this.
I'm having to close the top up so it's going to squeeze out too much. That's the way it come up.
All the wonders of the world. People just don't exist.
Oh, shit. Oh, these are lovely. These are lovely, darling. Ooh, you can see me. I'm not just and without you, you're me.
I feel like I'm gonna need a whole bottle of milk.
Oh, baby.
I don't think nothing can top that oil.
This is the best part. Because my back hurt and I'm tired. And she got a whole head of these little ass knotless box braids. And I'm done. So just know if y'all coming, I'm tired as hell, y'all dipping your own hair. And they long. I'm just playing. I ain't gonna make y'all dip your own hair. Unless y'all ain't paying. Then y'all dipping y'all own shit.
Don't say that.
They gonna be like, if you drop a braid down and I dip my own hair, can I get that shit up for free?
Yep. She ready. Let's go get my Tiffany Haddish on. She ready. I'll put my big ghetto girl earrings on.
And what else you gonna do?
Back for the 99 and the 2000. What? Oh. Miami. Watch out. She coming. She ready. Oh, did you see it? Boom, right. Shit. Y'all don't know about this. Y'all better get y'all a braid like, man, I'm trying to say y'all. Cause shit right here. It's going down.
She ain't left this mirror since I finished. I need her to get her ass out this mirror so I can get like a final picture or something.
I'm not even going to sleep. I need a all-night in the mirror. Now, if I get my body to look like this hair, it's going down. I'm gonna be an Instagram model. Y'all don't know. They're gonna be like your best friend Ratchet.
Oh, it's got my damn finger on it. It's in video.
Swing them. Swing them. Swing them. Ready. She ready. Y'all don't know about that. Charlotte.
Ooh, I think that was the end pose right there.